My name's Danny, this is Annie and this is our daughter, and we're from a project called We Be Kids. We Be Kids offers free online nature-based resources to help you and your family boost your well-being. Today we've come up into the woods to show you how to make one of our favourite campfire snacks, and that is baked apples. In order to make these scrumptious baked apples, we're going to need a few resources. We're going to need a sharp knife, some spoons. We're going to need one apple for each of the people that we are cooking for. We're going to need some squares of tin foil. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of oats per apple, a teaspoon of butter or margarine per apple, some raisins, some cinnamon, a mixing bowl, and a teaspoon of sugar per apple too. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the top 1/4 of the apple. And we're going to just put that to one side. We're then going to take a spoon. The size of your spoon is important. If you use a big spoon, it might split your apple. So I'm going to use a teaspoon, and we're just going to hollow out the inside of the apple. Not only are you going to get to eat your apple, but it's also going to act as the bowl for your delicious sweet crumble as well. We're going to add all the dry mixture together in the bowl with the oats, the sugar, the raisins, the cinnamon, and last of all the butter. We're then going to use a spoon and we're going to mix it all together. It's probably best then to get your hands in, and you're going to make a ball of the mixture that is about the same size as the hole that you hollowed out of your apple, and we're just going to push it in. We're then going to place it in the middle of the tin foil, and we're going to wrap all the tin foil around it and then place the top of the apple back on. It's important at this point to try and keep a bit of a handle at the top with your tin foil to make it easy to get in and out of the fire. I'm going to take it over and pop it straight into the campfire. As you're putting it into the campfire, use a stick to just hollow out a few holes so you can bury the apple in about halfway down to its depth. This is where the little handle in the tin foil really comes in useful. And then just leave them in there for about 15 minutes, and the best way to check if they are ready is just to use a stick and just gently poke the outside of them, and when they are soft it'll be time to pull them out. Again, take care pulling them out, but just hold on to the tin foil handle. Take them out and just rest them to one side and let the tin foil cool. And once the tin foil has cooled, we can just unravel it at the top, and we're going to use the tin foil for the bowl as well. So once you've unraveled it, just then peel it back along the sides and tuck it under, and you'll be able to hold that. On a nice cool day, it'll keep your hands toasty, and it reveals the beautiful apple looking delicious. If you take the top off, you've got the sweet crumble inside, and it makes a delicious autumnal snack by the campfire. So there we have it, autumn baked apples on the campfire. We hope you enjoy making these and eating these as much as we do, and we'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!